Beximco Textile Ltd was incorporated in Bangladesh on March 8, 1994 as a public limited company with limited liabilities. The company commenced its commercial operations in 1995, and in the same year it went into public issue of shares and debentures. The shares of the company are listed in the Dhaka and Chittagong stock exchanges of Bangladesh. Bextex Ltd is the most modern composite mill in the region. Beximco Apparel Ltd is a member of Beximco Group. Started its commercial production in March 1985 under the name of Comtrade Apparels Ltd as a joint venture project between Comtrade Ltd of Lausanne, Switzerland and Beximco Group. Comtrade Apparels Ltd name has been changed to Beximco Apparels Ltd since January 1, 1997. Beximco Apparels Ltd is a 100% export-oriented garment industry, located at Shantibag, Rajarbag, Dhaka. It produces over 2.5 million pieces of high-quality men's dress/casual shirts and ladies' blouses for prominent brands and retails in USA, Canada and Europe. Beximco Apparels Ltd is managed by a group of professionals aims at producing high-quality garments through an effective quality control system right from sourcing of fabric to end product. The company employed 876 employees as of February 1, 2009.